Okay, we have got the food, we've got the cupcakes. Now we're gonna do a little decorating. What do you guys think about that? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, because it's an Easter egg hunt. All the neighborhood kids are gonna come over. We're gonna be hiding Easter eggs all in the backyard filled with candy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off by having our little faithful team of Easter Bunny guys right here is gonna start filling some Easter eggs with candy. So Ben, why don't you, and yes, we totally realize how unbelievably dangerous this is, putting candy in the hands of all these little children and just telling them to put them inside eggs. But we're gonna go for it anyway, okay?
They're disciplined.
Yeah. Yes. Could you grab a pair of scissors? Hang on, Lydia. Hold on a second. You know what? We're just gonna do this. There we go. Okay. What I need you to do is to start filling some Easter eggs with candy. And once you fill them with candy, toss them right in there. And just so you know, this party is what we call BYOB. Does anybody know what BYOB stands for? Bring your own basket. Bring your own basket. There you are. And just start filling them up with candy. And as I said, what we're going to do, usually Ben and some of the older kids, they like to help me out and hide them all through the backyard. And then the little guys just run around with all their Easter baskets, right? What do you got going in there, Mac?
Let's put one of these.
It's a good one. It's a nice
Two
one.
of these, and see if you can close it now.
Now we also are going to decorate with some flowers. And what we have done, my friend Georgia helped me out earlier. We did the same kind of thing that we've done before. We took a big glass jar and we put a cup in the middle of it.
All right, can we close that up?
Filled around the cup with some jelly beans and then put water in the middle. And now what we've done, is we picked two different types of flowers, the same color. Got some stalk and some other one. I don't even remember what it's called. Mac, I'm sure you know what this other flower is called. What are these called? Do you know?
No.
You don't know? Oh man. Maybe Luke would know. We'll check later on.
A couple of these in.
So, do you see how this works, Mac? Look what I got going here. What does it look like? They're growing right out of the jelly beans, right? Doesn't that look so cool? I gotta tell you, found this on Pinterest. A new favorite of ours. Darling, are you on Pinterest yet?
Lovely, no.
Oh, you should try it out. It's like a visual Twitter. And you can get all sorts of great ideas for party decorations in Pinterest. And Gala Girls are on Pinterest also. You need some more eggs?
Hold on.
And she's off. Okay, there we go. So you have this beautiful decoration. What do you think, Mac? Do you like the looks of this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So there we are. We're going to put that right over there. What do you think?
That looks
Lovely.
wonderful. What do we think?
Oh, and you're just eating one. Sure. Let's just go right in
Make
there.
sure that it's all right.
Okay. And is it good? It's not poisoned, is it, Kate?
Is it all right, Kate?
Tastes good? Okay. Super duper. All right. Well, moving on. Ben, as a child of mine, having been around through many parties over the years, Mommy always likes to play music during it. Don't I? We have put together a great spring soundtrack. And darling, I'd like to get your take on the spring soundtrack as well.
Thank you.
We threw things out there in the Twitterverse, and one of our favorite, Ann Fox, gave us the her favorite spring song, Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. Anyone? Yay, nay? We've got Feeling Groovy. We've got Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles. Do you know the Beatles, Mac?
Yep.
Yeah, do you like them? Yeah? Well, we've got some really great songs on this one. So everybody go on our website, check it out, download and print it. Right, guys?
Yes.
We also want to make sure that everybody goes to textiledesigns.com to get this adorable little invitation. Check this out. This is what we're going to send to all of our neighborhood friends. It pops right out like this, and it says, "It's an excellent backyard adventure." Oh, excellent. Get it? Excellent? Yeah? No?
Yeah. We all get
Great.
it.
Thanks a lot, guys. And then, of course, our party game. What would our party game be, Ben?
Ooh.
Yes?
How about hide and egg seek?
Hide and egg seek. I like it. Yes. So that's what we have. So what does everybody think? Is this going to be the best Easter egg hunt party ever?
Yeah.
Yeah? Going to get a little bit of sugar? Sugar in you? Yeah? Lots of sugar? Trip to the dentist for everybody?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
No.
No?
I don't want to get a trip to the dentist.
Well, you better not put that roll in your mouth.
No more candy for you, no more candy for
All right, well, what do you say we invite everybody back in? We're going to do one more toast.
All right.
We're going to have the best Easter egg hunt party ever. Chaos. We hope everyone can hear the absolute chaos that's going on around us. We've got a couple of latecomers into the party. We've got Jennifer with an abundance of toddlers. So everybody, raise your glass, raise your chocolate, and with that, what do we always say? We say, any excuse for a party. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, Andy, so it looks like
No, fly like a Jesus.
we're celebrating. It's hard to say.
Treat for all their friends.
Decorations are easy with affordable flowers and a jelly bean base. Mac, no getting
That does
Gabby.
not mean breathing in the jelly bean.
We're gonna.
Got as good as
For a very short time, you might not notice.
Georgia, shh, zip it. Hello, leave him alone.
He's doing it now.
Quinn? Okay, hold my hand.
At this point, you can have whatever you want.
Yes.